Welcome back, everybody. We are going to finish up section 4.7 today. Last part, we talked about how to find the answers for piecewise functions, and now we're going to talk about how to graph them. And so I'm going to start with this top one. We're going to start with y is equal to negative x minus 4. Remember, the minus 4 is your y-intercept, and your slope is negative 1 over 1. So we have x is 0, which is right here on the y-axis. It's not equal to, so that means we have an open circle at negative 4, our y-intercept. And we cannot go to the right because that's positive 1. We need to go to the left because that's where x is less than 0. So in this case, with my slope, I'm going to go up 1, left 1, up 1, left 1, up 1, left 1. Open circle, and there's that line. The second equation that's here is greater than or equal to 0. We have y equals x. And I'm going to go ahead and say that's x plus 0 because we can always add 0 to anything. It doesn't change our equation at all. That means our y-intercept is at 0, and our slope is positive 1. So I come back to my graph, and this time, because it's equal to, we fill in the 0 y-intercept, and then we use our slope of up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. And there's the second equation. It makes this our piecewise graph. We will talk about domain and range in class. Taking a look at example 7, I'll start with the top one. We have y is equal to x plus 1. This is our y-intercept. Our slope is positive 1 over 1. And we use this for x is less than or equal to 0. So at positive 1, we're filling that in. We're filling it in because of the equal to there. And then x is less than 0. So we have to go to the left. That means we're going to go down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1. We still have a positive 1 slope, but we had to go the opposite direction because it has to be less than or equal to 0. Our second equation is y is equal to negative x. And I'm going to go ahead and again write a plus 0 there. Our y-intercept is at 0, and our slope is negative 1. Graphing this is not equal to, so it's an open circle here at 0. Negative 1 over 1. So down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. And it's in the positive direction of x, so that works, and that's our graph. Taking a look at example 8, I'm going to start with this top part. We have y is equal to x minus 2. The minus 2 is our y-intercept, or our b, and our slope is positive 1 over 1. This is for when x is less than 0. It's not equal to, so that means we start at negative 2 for our y-intercept, but it is an open circle. Positive slope means I'm going to have to go down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1 to make that line. Our second equation is y is equal to 4x. Again, we can make that 4x plus 0 for mx plus b, making our y-intercept 0 and our slope 4 over 1. For this part, we have an equal to. So at our y-intercept of 0, we have a closed dot this time, and then we rise 4, run 1. Rise 4, run 1. Connect those dots, and there's the other part of our graph. We are going to talk about domain and range and work on more of these in class. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a fantastic day.